Welcome to this explainer. Look, it's time we stop treating AI like a glorified search engine and actually unlock the real power behind custom AI agents. If you've been feeling, stuck or limited by generic vanilla AI outputs, we are going to completely unpack the specific frameworks that turn standard tools into highly specialized, personalized partners. It's a massive paradigm shift. You're not just typing queries anymore. You're literally architecting bespoke digital workflows. By the end of this, you're going to know exactly how to build these systems for yourself. Let's get right into it. Here's our roadmap for today. We're covering mastering prompting basics, iterating for better results, advanced AI logic, and finally, the power of agents. So starting off with Section 1, Mastering Prompting Basics, which is truly the foundation of everything AI. Now, the core of all successful AI interactions, and honestly the absolute prerequisite for building those autonomous agents later on, is this foundational 5-step framework. First up, the task. What exactly do you want the AI to execute? Second is context. And this is where things usually go off the rails. Missing context completely derails the output. The more background details you give, the more targeted the response. Third, references. You've got to supply past examples of the tone or style you're aiming for. Fourth, evaluate the response you get back. And fifth, iterate to refine it. Seriously, skipping even one of these steps can mean the difference between a highly actionable result and just complete nonsense. Now, I know that if you're using AI every single day, constantly running through a 5-step mental checklist can kind of slow down your flow, right? Having a mental shorthand is a total game changer, which is why this mnemonic is such a fantastic takeaway. Tiny crabs ride enormous iguanas. Task, context, references, evaluate, and iterate. Keep that beautifully bizarre visual in your head, and you will never drop a crucial element again when building your prompts. It sounds silly, for sure, but it locks the framework right into your muscle memory. This perfectly illustrates the difference between an okay prompt and a structurally sound one. Look at the basic prompt. Suggest an anime gift for a friend. Naturally, you get a generic, uninspired list. But check out the advanced prompt. We gave it a persona, telling it to act as an anime expert. We layered in context, saying the friend is 29. And most importantly, we added a specific format, instructing it to organize the data into a table. That right there is a massive game changer. Forcing the AI to use a table makes the language model logically structure and categorize the data. Actually, structured output like this is a vital building block for the complex data structuring we'll need when we start building actual autonomous agents. Moving right along to Section 2, Iterating for Better Results, and keeping the human in the loop. Because you rarely get the perfect output on the very first try, here are 4 proven methods to iterate. You can revisit the framework. Did you maybe drop some vital context? You can separate prompts into shorter sentences. This works wonders because it helps the AI focus on discrete instructions without getting lost in a giant wall of text. You can try different phrasing or analogous tasks, maybe swapping a dry marketing plan for a narrative story format. Or you can introduce strict constraints, like an exact word count. And yep, there's a handy mental shortcut for these 4 too. Ramen saves tragic idiots. But here is the absolutely crucial point, especially as we get closer to handing complex workflows over to autonomous agents. You cannot just run on autopilot. You've got to keep a human in the loop to catch hallucinations. When the AI confidently spits out something totally nonsensical or flat out incorrect. A classic example is asking a model how many R's are in the word strawberry and watching it stubbornly insist there are only 2. As we build more power into these systems, that human verification step isn't just nice to have. It's literally the most critical part of the whole process. All right, Section 3, Advanced AI Logic. This is where we literally teach the AI how to think. First up in our advanced toolkit is prompt chaining. This is where you guide the AI through a sequence of interconnected steps, building up complexity layer by layer. Let's say you wrote a novel. You wouldn't just dump the whole manuscript in and say, market my book, right? You'd chain it. Prompt 1 asks for a summary. Then the output of that prompt becomes the input for prompt 2, turning the summary into a catchy tagline. Prompt 3 takes that tagline and builds a 6-week promo tour. You're basically building an automated pipeline where the AI feeds its own structured data right into the next step. Next is chain of thought prompting. It sounds fancy, but it's surprisingly simple and computationally profound. You just ask the AI to explain its reasoning step by step. By tacking on the phrase, explain your thought process, you aren't just getting an explanation. You're actually giving the model the computational space to process logic tokens before it spits out the final answer. It's exactly like a math teacher making you show your work on a test. By writing out the steps, the AI drastically reduces its own error rate and stops itself from making weird logical leaps. For truly complex, abstract tasks, we bring out Tree of Thought prompting. Imagine you're brainstorming a dynamic new landing page. Tree of Thought lets the AI explore and evaluate multiple reasoning branches at the exact same time. You can prompt it to act as 3 different expert designers pitching ideas step by step. One branch goes for a minimal aesthetic, another goes super vibrant. The logic tree evaluates them both against your initial goal, crosses out the weak ideas, and hands you the winner. Honestly, it's like hosting a virtual mastermind group right on your own computer. Which brings us to Section 4, the power of agents. This is the boss level. Mastering all those advanced logic chains unlocks our ultimate paradigm shift, AI agents. At this stage, you're no longer just operating a tool. You're essentially coding a bespoke digital employee. An AI agent wraps all those complex logic chains and prompt frameworks we just talked about into a persistent, highly specialized persona. You're not firing off random questions anymore. You are designing a custom partner that exists solely to execute your unique workflows, whether you need a dedicated coding assistant, an ongoing data analyst, or a tireless creative director. There are 2 main flavors of agents we want to look at here. First is Agent Sim, built for simulating role-play scenarios. A great use case is an HR intern interview simulator, where the agent plays a tough, unpredictable candidate to help you prep. The second is Agent X. This one acts as your personal expert reviewer. Just picture the relief of building an Agent X that acts as a ruthless VP of advertising. You can have it completely tear apart your new campaign pitch, poking holes in your logic and catching your blind spots in a totally safe environment, long before you ever stand in front of actual human executives. And building your own customized agent is entirely within your reach by combining the foundational steps we covered earlier. Step 1, assign a specific persona. Step 2, provide deep context about the exact scenario. Step 3, define the interaction rules, explicitly stating how it should question you. Step 4, provide a stop phrase to end the simulation. And Step 5, establish a feedback tool. This feedback step is what makes an agent so powerful. It doesn't just execute the task, it evaluates how you interacted with it during the process to help you refine your own skills and prompts for next time. Oh, and a quick note on Step 4, that stop phrase can be delightfully silly. You can set the rules so that you end a super rigorous, highly professional roleplay session by simply typing jazz hands or no pain, no gain. But beyond being fun, it has a very specific technical utility. The stop phrase acts as a definitive break in the logic loop. It is the hard signal for the AI to immediately drop its complex persona, stop generating new scenarios, and compile all the data it just gathered into your final feedback report. So equipped with this ultimate level of AI mastery, from tiny crabs riding enormous iguanas to change prompts, all the way up to Tree of Thought logic, the ball is firmly in your court. What kind of specialized, personalized AI agent will you build to completely transform your workflow and reclaim your time? Here's my challenge to you. Look at your calendar tomorrow, identify the very first tedious task you see, and offload it to your new custom agent. Thank you for joining me for this explainer, and I seriously can't wait to see the powerful workflows you build.